Hey guys, Code Frogster here and welcome to my first official video on this channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to power a number in Python. I'll be using PyCharm, but you can use whatever text editing software you want. Basically, to raise a number to the power of another number, we use two multiplication signs. So basically, if you want to raise 2 to the power of 3, we write it like this. And we all know that 2 to the power of 3 is 8. 8. So let me write it in a print statement. 2 to the power of 3. So this will return the value 8. And there. 8. So we got 8. So this is basically how you power a number. You use two multiplication signs. So that is basically how you power a number in Python. I hope this helped you and see you in the next tutorial. Bye.